We are looking at how to pronounce these two words. They do look very similar. They are spelled almost the same way, but they have different meanings, and they are to be pronounced differently. The top word here is a noun, as in the envelope. Envelope. Stress on the first syllable, the envelope, or of a letter, for example. Some say it as envelope as well. Now the second word is a verb, meaning to surround something. Envelop. Stress on the second syllable here. Envelop is the verb, to envelop something, while the top word is a noun and said as envelope. And now you know. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Like it at least, it helps me immensely. Let me know in the comments what you thought of it. Thanks for your support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations of more confusing words. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you there to learn more.